Come on, almost there. Just a little more, you got this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, Today is going to be an unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing the product I have right here in front of my camera. These are some AI smart glasses that I purchased off of the Amazon website. I'll add the link in the description. But before we get into this unboxing, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel before we get into the unboxing. All right. And also to all of the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. This is not going to be a long video because I'm actually in a rush and I have to head out. But I did want to put some content up for you guys and show you guys these glasses. I already have the Meta glasses, but I wanted these ones because they don't have a flash. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to clip my mic right here. All right, cool, we in frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. Right off the back. These are the glasses, of course. Check that out. Pretty cool. We're gonna sit that to the side. All right, we're gonna sit the glasses to the side. All right. That's the glasses. All right, and now see we get a USB right here. USB cable. We get some rubber tips, if you guys can see that. And we also get a manual. You guys can look, we get a manual. All right. Let me give you guys, oh yeah, we got the microfiber cloth. Let me take that out. It's the microfiber cloth. We get that. And I just want to give you guys, a view of the box. All right, that's a side view. All right, check that out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna take the glasses out. Take the glasses out. We want to be careful. There we go. So these are the glasses. We'll put that to the side. Let me show y'all what the glasses are looking like. These are also transitional lens. All right. This is what the glasses look like, guys. Check that out. All right. Okay. It's the top. We got two buttons here. Right here. This must be for the volume and everything. Is it a lens? Nothing on this side. And that's about it. But I gotta go, guys. Listen, I love you guys so much. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I am going to test these out and see what separates these glasses from the Meta Ray-Bans. Okay, and I have the Gen 2 ones. But with that being said, you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Thanks for watching too.